Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the clip ready, so start in the color page and create a fresh serial node to keep changes non-destructive. Once done, open the scope so you can watch highlights and shadows while you work. This prevents accidental clipping. Make sure your timeline frame is selected and play a representative section of the shot. Next, set your workspace to include scopes and gallery. This gives you visual feedback as you lift exposure and make tonal decisions. Now perform the core brightening. Use the color wheels so you target shadows, midtones, and highlights independently. Raise gamma slightly for midtones and gain for highlights. Once done, nudge the offset for an overall exposure bump, but stay conservative. Small increments preserve detail. Make sure to watch the waveform while you move sliders. If peaks hit the top, roll back or lower highlights. Also try the lift wheel to preserve blacks so the image doesn't look washed out. Finish by refining contrast and color. Add a second serial node and use curves or the contrast slider to restore punch after brightening, and apply subtle saturation if colors feel flat. Once done, scrub the clip and compare a /B with the original to confirm improvement. If brightening introduced noise or clipped highlights, apply light noise reduction or use highlight recovery tools, and consider lowering gain and raising gamma instead. Troubleshooting tip: if footage looks
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.